English Step by Step, First Conditional, Step 3. In this Step 3 video, I'm going to talk through the answers to the practice exercise which you can find in the Step 2 video. And then you can also go back and watch the Step 1 video in which I talk about the rules and the meaning and the structure of First Conditional. So remember, click like or subscribe or request a lesson if you'd like to see more videos like this. So let's go through the answers. Number 1. So for this one, the verbs were feel and take. So that one would be if you and then feel ill, and the imperative, take this medicine. Now for this one, you could also use the present continuous, which would be if you are feeling ill, take this medicine. Right, number 2 is talking about a train. So in this case, the best verb is miss. So let's put that there. You, and then we need to put in the will, miss the train. If you, now for this one, it needs to be logical and it needs to be negative, not hurry. So it's don't hurry up. You will miss the train if you don't hurry up. Number 3 is a question, so we need to put will in the main clause, and then we need to look at the verbs and choose do and have. So that becomes, what will you do if you have a problem? And the next one is about a museum, so the best verb is visit. So let's choose visit and have. So in this case, I will visit the museum if I have enough time. Now, in this case, you could say I might visit the museum if I have enough time. That's possible. Or I may visit the museum if I have enough time. So in this next one, it's about hands. So I think we can see that the best verb is wash. So we choose wash and eat. So there we have, if you wash your hands and then eat. Now, will eat is grammatically correct, but in this case, we're talking about permission. So let's change it to can eat. Then we have a more logical sentence. If you wash your hands, you can eat. Now, the next one is about work. So, and we have off. So we can make a phrasal verb with stay. Stay off work. And then we need to use will, because it's the main clause. I will stay off work if I, and then the other verb is feel, and it's negative, so it's don't feel. I will stay off work if I don't feel well tomorrow. Now the next one is about shoes, so we can see that the best verb for shoes is take, and that is a phrasal verb, take off. So that becomes, if they take off their shoes, and then we have enter, will enter. Now, for this one, we also need to think about the logic of the sentence. And in this case, we're talking about permission. So we can change this again, like number 5, change it to can. If they take off their shoes, they can enter the house. Now, the next one is about a mask. So we're talking about the face. So for a mask, we need to use wear. So if she wears, present simple, if she wears a mask, and then we have she will enter. Now again, this one is like number 7. We really need to talk about permission. So let's change it to can. If she wears a mask, she can enter the building. Now the next one is talking about a door with an adjective open. So let's use the verb be and then go in the second part. So if the door is open, that's the present simple verb for from to be. If the door is open, and then imperative, go in. So these are the best answers for the verbs in the sentences. So that brings us to the end of this step 3 video. Remember, you can watch my other video series on other conditional forms, second conditional, third conditional, and of course all my other video series on other tenses. So please click like if you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe if you'd like to see my other videos, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.